we're going to teach you a different dough to make these little rolls. We'll use 400 grams of sweet potato. Peel them and slice them into rounds like this. Next, prepare a pot with hot water, add the sweet potatoes and let them cook for about 15 minutes. Once cooked, transfer them to a small dish and mash them. That's good for now. Now in a bowl, beat 1 egg. Then add the mashed sweet potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and 1 of yeast. Mix to combine. At this point, we'll gradually add powdered milk until the dough reaches the right consistency. We used about 250 grams, stirring constantly. This is the texture we're aiming for, so keep adding bit by bit and check how the dough turns out. Now it's time to get hands-on. Rub a little oil on your hands, scoop out a portion with a spoon and shape the rolls. We're using cupcake molds greased with butter. After placing the rolls, brush them with egg yolk. Now bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And here's the result. Amazing sweet potato rolls, fluffy, flavorful, and made with a completely different dough. A perfect option for breakfast or an afternoon snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and what other recipes you'd like to see here. Thanks for watching and see you next time.